What's up, YouTube? Listen, family, it is Sunday, which means we are a moment away from being able to get back in our bag and do what we do, man. If you are excited as I am for this upcoming week, please do me a favor. Please make sure you like and subscribe. Make sure this video get at least 1,000 likes and be sure to join us on the journey, okay? Today, guys, I got a jam-packed video for you, so keep it locked, okay? Watch it to the end, all right? Kicking it off, guys, check this out. We have some very, very important news and data coming out this week, okay? One in particular will be the core CPI month over month and year over year, okay? We want to continuously see these numbers cool off, look in our favor to keep the market heading higher, okay? So do me a favor. These events are always catalysts that can bring and cause volatility, okay? So you have to be mindful that, okay, if you are, for instance, in a particular play and you are looking for it to go one direction, it can do the opposite based on contingent upon this news, okay? So listen, don't get greedy. If you see profit, take profit. And remember, don't overstay your welcome when you guys are doing your thing, okay? Also, guys, a stock that I will have on my watch list for this particular week will be Rivian, ticker symbol RIVN. I'm hoping ideally for a pullback, okay? I'm hoping that it pulls back first, but on a pullback, or whether it pullbacks or not, I have a price target of $27.50 that I believe this play will go to in the near future, okay? Whether that's over the next 1 to 3 weeks, or if we get something unforeseen like a gap up tomorrow, I wouldn't be surprised if it starts to make its way there. However, ideally, because I don't chase, I got this on my watch list and I'm going to be watching it for it to pull back, possibly, let's say to 23.50, okay? Something like that. 22 would be ideal, okay? But then I'll be looking to buy a call and ride this up to the levels I discussed, to the targets I project this will hit, okay? So this is on my watch list. I just want to give you guys a quick update of what I'll be looking at alongside everything else I'll cover in the Discord. Matter of fact, speaking of the Discord, guys, please make sure you are in the Discord. The link for that is in the description below, okay? Get in there, get down with the team so you can make sure you are in the plays we are in each and every day, okay? With that being said, guys, check it out. This particular week, guys, we have some opportunities, and what I am hoping for is that the stocks that I want to load up in most, I'm hoping that they come down to my actual buy zones, okay? So one stock in particular, SCHD, I'll be keeping an eye on that. Remember, guys, I love to buy and dollar cost average into this at $70 or below. So I'll be keeping my eye on this one. If it comes down in that range, I like to go shopping on Mondays and Fridays. So ideally, I would love to see it in that range on one of those 2 days, preferably. But if not, I can always set a limit buy order like I typically do anyway, guys. And this is one that I'll have on my radar. Let's go ahead and check this out, guys. On the week, they were down 1.4%, 1.14%, okay? Again, they were just sitting at 73.02. 73 levels has seen to be resistance, okay? So to me, the range appears to be 69 to 73. At least the range we're currently in until it is broken. So from a technical standpoint, I want to accumulate as much as I can on the lower end of that range. And if you guys are into this as well, I'm going to encourage you guys to do the same, okay? So that 70, 69, 68 even would be a good area to load up and accumulate shares, okay? That is what I'll be looking to do. I got this on my watch list, okay? For the month, guys, this is up 0.5%. Over the course of 3 months, it is down 1.29%, okay? And so again, we are in a range. It has been range bound. The range, in my estimation, is between that $68, $69 to $73 range. I don't want it on the higher end of the range. I want it primarily on the lower end. However, I do dollar cost average into this every day when I make money with my option play. So regardless of where the price is at, I'm buying $50 a day, $100 a day, okay? Hope that makes sense. Next, guys, is SOFI, ticker symbol SOFI. This is one that under $8, so $8 and below, I like to say if we can see this get under that level, I'm talking 795, 790, preferably even lower, 77, $7.70, I should say. Okay, things of that nature that triggers me, that sends me an alert to go shopping. Okay, preferably I like to see these things happen on a Monday or Friday because those are the days I prefer to buy. But if not, I'll have a limit buy order set at those price points so that I can be scooping up and accumulating shares on the journey. Okay, so guys, this is a 1 to 3 year hold for me. Yes, the more shares I accumulate, the bigger the double up will be. All right, however, I'm going to be looking for these opportunities in the market, and so right now this one has a great one on his hands. It has a good outlook, and I want to continue to see how many shares of this I can continue to get when it is at or near my levels that I like to buy, aka my buy zones. Okay, so this one is on deck. Matter of fact, guys, I can't go without telling you this. Now, this is not my top 2, but this is one, SQQQ. Okay, I often talk about hedging your portfolio. Do me a favor, guys. If you see this under $19 this particular week, scoop up some shares and then make sure you let me know about it. Okay, so if you can see this get anywhere from like 1890, 1880, 1850, I don't even know if it's been that low yet, but those are the kind of levels I'm talking about. Then the 17s, we want to be building out in the 17s and preferably the 16s if it was to come down there. Now, I know that's a ways away, but I'm just trying to prepare you guys for if the market goes higher, this will come lower. Okay, and so you want to find areas to buy. You want to find areas to allocate your dollars, and buying high is always sometimes not the best idea. The risk to reward just isn't there. However, something like this, you get a dividend as well as you have upside potential whenever the market turns. People, analysts, economists are still talking about the fact that we may experience a recession, and the recession should hit in 2024. Whatever comes down the pipe, guys, our job as retail investors is to be ready. What I like to show up and do on the front end is help you to prepare. Okay, so listen, guys, I don't want you getting caught up and caught off sides. I want you to make sure if you see this under $19, so in the $18 range, for example, okay, look to hedge your portfolio by accumulating shares of this. You will love the inverse correlation you see. When tech stocks are down, this will be up. And remember, tech won't always be up forever. Tech is the best sector. It is where you should be investing, but there will be down days, there will be down periods, there will be down cycles that you just want to be logical and practical about. Okay, so listen, guys, excited for this upcoming week. In particular, though, we got a lot of catalysts at play, which means that we got a lot of things that can cause volatilities, can cause flash crashes. So watch out for the rug pulls. Watch out for stocks spiking up and then they're setting a bull trap only to just bring it right back down. Don't get caught slipping to the downside because they're setting a lot of bear traps as well. So the whole goal is to remain patient. The whole goal is to make sure you have a plan. And when you have a plan and you are following that plan, it helps to give you some structure. So therefore, if you don't see something you didn't anticipate, if you didn't see something you didn't chart out, if you don't see something you didn't plan for, then guys, what do we always say? When in doubt, sit it out. Okay. However, if things are aligning as you see fit, don't hesitate to strike. Don't hesitate to pull the trigger, guys. Remember, one shot, one kill. Keep it simple, guys. Don't overtrade. More importantly, make sure to remain surgical in all that you do. Listen, guys, hopefully this was helpful. I'm excited for this upcoming week. Do me a favor, guys. If you haven't already, consider joining the money team for this week. The plays will be sent out tomorrow morning around 8:30. Okay, so they're still coming in as we speak. I'll be sending them out between tonight and by 8:30 tomorrow, so we locked, loaded, and ready to go. Okay, so be on the lookout. If you know you participated, make sure you send me a screenshot if you are participating this upcoming week. Okay, and let's be ready to make some money first thing Monday morning. All right, with that being said, guys, listen, we make videos like this every day, so if you like this one, make sure you check out the next one. Remember, most people see the end result, very few consider the journey. So do me a favor, don't forget to like, subscribe to the channel. Make sure you guys grab some free stock using my link below, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.